Oh, hey there, my favorite first graders. I had to go grab my sunglasses because it is so sunny in here. Look out your window. Is it sunny where you are today? Yes or no? Or do you need an umbrella? Is it rainy today? Yes or no? Or do you have a sweater and gloves? Is it cold or snowy there today? Yes or no? And last, windy. Is it windy? Are the leaves blowing around out there today? Yes or no? No matter what the weather is, we are going to be drawing them all. Our instructions ask us to please watch the teacher video to draw, color, and label different activities. Say that A word with me, please. Activities. Nice job. We're going to show different activities when the weather is, repeat me please, sunny. Good job. Rainy. Beautiful. Cold or snowy. And finally, windy. Awesome. Let's set up our journals with our labels so then we can go draw and color. Everybody everywhere, open up your journal to a new clean page. Remember, we can use the back sides. No wasting trees. We always begin up top with today's date. Beautiful. Give me a 2. Give me a 16 in the year. 2021. Today we're focusing on, look at this A word, activities. Activities. So we're going to add the word activities up top as a title. Repeat it and write it with me. Activities. Check your word, activities. It's here on your slide to help you spell it correctly. Now we have a title and we have the date. I'm going to give it a deep dark underline so we know what's this page about. Activities. And we are going to be showing 1, 2, 3, 4, cuatro activities. So let's separate into a 4 square. Start with a line down the middle. That gives me 2 rectangles, but we need 4 today. So another line across. Count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're ready to start drawing and labeling. Let's add the labels before we start the pictures. Your labels are here. Sunny, rainy, cold or snowy, windy. We're going to put 1 label in each box. I'm starting up top here with the first label that says sunny. Will you please grab your pencil, repeat the word sunny, and write it with me in your first box. Sunny with a Y. Sunny. Move to our next box. And what's our next label say? Rainy. Repeat it and write it. A-N-Y. Rainy. 2 boxes labeled. We have 2 more to go. Sunny, rainy. Now we have cold or snowy. You can decide which label you vote to write today. Do you want to write cold or snowy? I'm going to write snowy. If you are writing snowy, repeat it. Snowy. And write it with me. S-N-O-W-E. Snowy. And our final label is with the W. It says windy. Will you please write W-I-N-D-E. Windy. All right, check your journal. We have the title, activities, the date, sunny, rainy, snowy, windy. We are ready to now go draw and color. I have added these cards here to help you with your pictures today and to recall what are these different weather types. First, sunny. Check out the sunny pictures we have today. The first one says clear. Repeat the word with me, clear. Nice job. Clear is not having any clouds and able to easily seen through. So look at that sky. All sunshine, no clouds, very clear. And on a day that is this clear and sunny in the summer, it is very hot, having a lot of heat energy. So you see, my girl is going swimming. We are going to all start a picture in our sunny box, not snowy. Sunny box. You could draw a girl swimming at the pool like mine here, or think of a different activity you like to do in the sun. Show me you wearing your sunshades. What are you liking to do outside in the sunny, clear, hot day? Maybe you'd like to go to the beach and sit in a chair and soak up the sun. Or jump in the pool if you like to cool off on a hot, hot day. My girl's gonna sit in the sand and read a magazine. Hot, hot, sunny day. And here's the water. It's harder to tell what my illustrations are without color, so don't forget to show those color details. What activity do you like to do on a hot, sunny day? Remember in the video, the girl was building a sandcastle. You could do that on a hot day. Jumping in the pool, throwing water balloons. All are fun activities on a hot, hot day. But please don't color on your label. We still need to be able to read the word sunny under your picture. I want to add some more color details, but we've got three. Oh no, I broke my yellow. 3 more boxes to do, so I'll come back for more color later. After the sunny square, what's next? Ooh, look at that boy. He is playing in the rain. A rainy day, the weather is wet. You could wear your rain boots, your rain jacket. You could use an umbrella, and you could play outside. Or, if it's too rainy or thunderstorm, you could stay inside and have some video games or movie time. In our next rainy box, I need you to show me what's an activity that you like to do when it's rainy. And don't forget to show those raindrops. Rainy, rainy day. After you draw me a rainy day activity, your next weather type is icy, snowy, cold weather. The ground is covered with ice, freezing cold temperatures with very little warmth. I know that some of you made a snowman when we had snow, or threw a snowball at somebody. Look at her. She's riding on a sled down a snowy hill. That's a fun activity to do in cold weather. Think what you like to do and then draw it for me. And you can even show your winter clothes you wear when you play outside in this weather. Our last weather type to illustrate an activity today is windy. The kind of weather where things are blowing around. Check out my girl here. She saw it was so windy, she decided to fly a kite. That's a nice windy day activity. But what else could we do when it's windy outside? Oh, yeah, paper airplanes would be fun. I like that one. You think of what you like to do and then draw it for me in your journal. Everyone is going to have 4 boxes all filled up with picture and color and a label. We did sunny, rainy, snowy, windy. Check your journal that you have 4 pictures. They all have color. You have a title and a date. Then you're ready to take a picture and turn it into Google Classroom. Check the weather outside. If you're done with your work today, what could you go do outside? Fly a kite? Build a snowman? Make a sandcastle? It depends on the weather. Thanks for working hard with me today, my weather women and men. I will see you tomorrow. Adios.